Welcome to Igbo History TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Today we are going to discuss about the life and times of Chief Stephen Osita Osadebe, one of Igbo's finest musicians, Ogbuefi Ezeafulukwe of Atani. Untold is a classic that has remained on the lips of millions of Nigerians for decades. It was released in 1984 by one of the best high-life musicians in Igbo history, who had earned the nickname the Doctor of Hypertension, in reference to the healing powers of his music. Chief Stephen Osita Osadebe was born on 17th March 1936 in Atani, Ogbuefi local government area of the present-day Anambra State. He had his primary education at the St. John Catholic School, Onitsha, from where he moved on to Our Lady's High School, Onitsha, for his secondary education, which was where his talent in music was honed. In 1958, Osita Osadebe left his clerical job with SCOA to pursue a career in music. He started his career singing at nightclubs in Lagos. He joined the Empire Rhyme Skies as vocalist and a maracas player led by Stephen Amechi before going on to learn how to play the trumpet from Zilonia, who was one of the best trumpeters in West Africa at that time. A prolific composer, Osadebe released his first album in 1958. It had only 2 songs, one of which was Adamma, a tribute to a beautiful lady. He went on to write over 500 songs, half of which were released commercially. In 1959, he released a single, Lagos Na So So Enjoyment, leaving the music scene to study trade unionism at the then Soviet Union. In 1962, he returned, establishing the Stephen Osadebe and his Nigerian Soundmakers Band, and making radical changes in the high-life genre by prolonging the duration of each song to accommodate the vibrant energy of his audience. On the dance floor, infusing witty social commentary in his music, often attacking his adversaries in his music, and sometimes touching lightly on socio-political issues, eventually transforming high life into the call and response pattern of African music. Personal trials and tribulations were usually the main topics of his commentaries. He sang in English, Pidgin, and Igbo.
Financial aspect of it. Music is more lucrative now than what it was then, and more enticing. The younger musicians now, they learn very fast and very well. They learn very fast and they learn very well. If he wants to play guitar, he plays guitar to the kill. If he wants to play guitar bass, he learns it. He wants to play drum, whatever they want to learn, they learn. But
His type of music was intensely rhythmic, hypnotic, and mesmerizing that one finds it difficult to not move one's body to the rich tune and sounds. During his career spanning over 4 decades, he became one of the best-known musicians of Igbo high life. His best-known hit was the 1984 single Osonde Owendi, which established him as a leader in the high life genre and was one of the Nigerian's most popular records ever. He is credited with popularizing the high life genre as his slow, rhythmic songs were sure to pull listeners out of their chairs. His contributions as the voice of high life music did not go unnoticed, as it impacted the younger generation of artists like the late MC Loaf and Flavor Nabania. After turning 50 in 1986, Osadebe started to give priority to fatherhood and gave more of his time to his son Obiora and his other children from his wives. In 1995, he went on his first United States tour, recording one of his most memorable and gripping albums, Kedu America, in Seattle, Washington State. He was given a chieftaincy title to Ogbuefi Ezeafulukwe of Atani. In recognition of his musical prowess, Chief Osadebe was awarded Officer of the Order of the Niger (OON) by the federal government of Nigeria. In 1981, he was awarded a Golden Disc for his album Onukulunjo. He was also named Best High Life Artist of the Year in 1988 by the Performing Musicians Association of Nigeria (PMAN). Some of his works include singles United Nigeria, Okpako Eli, Stephen Osadebe and Nigerian Soundmakers 1962 to 1963, Monkey the Walk Baboon the Chop, Nwezi Igbo, Commander-in-Chief Stephen Osadebe and his Nigerian Soundmakers 1971, Nwezi Igbo Omume, albums, High Life Parade Commander-in-Chief Stephen Osadebe and his Nigerian Soundmakers 1970, Osadebe 76, Chief Stephen Osadebe and his Nigerian Soundmakers International 1975, Arom Achoron Sobu, Chief Stephen Osadebe and his Nigerian Soundmakers International 1979, Onye Bili Beya Bili 1981, Onye Achonam 1982, Makojo, Chief Stephen Osadebe and his Nigerian Soundmakers International 1985, People's Club of Nigeria Special, Chief Stephen Osadebe and his Nigerian Soundmakers International 1987, Ifonye Metalo, Chief Stephen Osadebe and his Nigerian Soundmakers International 1987, Ezioya Amaka, Chief Stephen Osadebe and his Nigerian Soundmakers International 1990, Osonde Owendi, Chief Osadebe and his Nigerian Soundmakers International 1984, Ifechukwu Kamma, Chief Osadebe and his Nigerian Soundmakers International 1991. Osadebe died in St. Mary's Hospital, Waterbury, Connecticut, on 11th May 2007 after suffering from severe respiratory difficulties, and is survived by 5 wives and several children.